Hi everyone, welcome back. In this class 2 of the parabola, we are going to discuss the different forms of the parabola and as well as different equations of the parabola. Whenever the different equations of the parabola are given, how do we find the vertex and focus as well as equation of directrix and equation of axis? How do we find it? We are going to discuss in this class. Don't miss this class. Watch till the end. In the first form of the parabola, we already discussed this in the first class. This is the standard form of the parabola, that is y square is equals to 4ax, right? This is the standard form of the parabola. There L is the directrix of the parabola and S is the focus, right? Focus, and A is the vertex of the parabola. From here you can write S, that is focus of the parabola. You can directly write focus as A comma 0, as it is located on the right side of the directrix, right? And it is lie on the x-axis, so that y coordinate is 0, so that focus is a comma 0. Whenever the equation of the parabola is look like this, y square is equals to 4ax, then the focus is a comma 0 and the vertex is 0 comma 0. How? Vertex is the exact middle point of the exact contacting point of the x-axis and y-axis, right? X-axis and y-axis where they meet each other, that is the origin, so that vertex is 0 comma 0. The equation of directrix, that is this one. The equation of directrix can be written as x plus a is equals to 0. X plus a is equals to 0 is the equation of the directrix. Next, the equation of axis. Equation of axis is parabola is lies on the x-axis and it is on towards the x-axis, so that the equation of axis is simply you can write y is equals to 0. Okay, equation of x-axis is y is equals to 0, right? So that the equation of axis whenever y square is equals to 4ax is y is equals to 0. It is the positive side. The second one is exactly the opposite side, right? So that the equation is y square is equals to minus 4ax. Y square is equals to minus 4ax. Here the focus lies on the left side of the, on the negative side of the directrix L, so that, and it is always lies on the x-axis, so that y coordinate is 0. So focus is minus a comma 0. Here a comma 0 and it is here minus a comma 0. And the vertex is 0 comma 0 as it is. It is never changed because vertex is the contacting point of x-axis and y-axis and it is lies on the parabola. It should be considered as vertex of the parabola. Okay, next, the directrix equation of directrix is here x plus a is equals to 0, but it is a value is minus a, right? So that x minus a is equals to 0. This is the equation of directrix. And the equation of axis is it going to change or not? No, because here the parabola lies on the x-axis. So the equation of x-axis is y is equals to 0. Here also the parabola lies on the x-axis. So the equation of x-axis is y is equals to 0, so that it is not going to change whether the equation of axis in this case and equation of axis in this case. Okay, as you look at this third one, the parabola lies on the y-axis and it is on the positive side of the y-axis. So the focus is, whenever the focus is lies on the y-axis, the x coordinate is going to be 0, and it is the focus lies on the y-axis on the positive side, so the x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is positive, so that 0 comma a. As well as the vertex can be written as the contacting point of the x-axis and y-axis, so it is going to be origin. What is origin coordinates? 0 comma 0. Okay, next, equation of directrix. Equation of directrix is, as it is lies on the y-axis, you just simply write y, and a value is positive, y plus a is equals to 0, and the equation of axis, here it is going to change, as the parabola lies on the y-axis, the equation of y-axis is x is equals to 0. Did you get it? Yes, I think so. Yeah. The next, fourth type. In the fourth type, the parabola lies on the y-axis itself, but in this case the parabola lies in the negative side, right, and it is not belongs to x-axis, it is lies on the y-axis, so that the focus is always x coordinate is 0 in the y-axis and it is in the negative direction, so that a value is minus a, and the vertex a is the origin, because x coordinate and y coordinate are contacting at one point, that is the point A, and it is the vertex of the parabola and it is lies on the parabola, so that the origin is become the vertex of the parabola. 0 comma 0. And equation of directrix. Directrix equation is, here parabola lies on the y-axis and the value of a is minus a is equals to 0. The equation of axis is, the parabola lies on the y-axis as it is in the negative side, but the parabola lies in the y-axis, lies on the y-axis, so that the equation of y-axis is x is equals to 0. This is going to be the equation of axis in this case. This is y x square is equals to 4ay and this is x square is equals to minus 4ay. Did you get it? As you can see, the equation of axis in these two cases is y is equals to 0 and here also y is equals to 0. Here whenever y square is there, y is equals to 0. Y square is there, y is equals to 0. X square, then x is equals to 0. As you can see, the vertex is 0 comma 0 in all these four cases, right? Next we are going to see another four forms here. Just wait. Okay, the fifth one is y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h. In the previous one, y square is equals to 4ax and y square is equals to minus 4ay and x square is equals to 4ay and x square is equals to minus 4ay. But here y is attached with k, x is attached with h, everywhere. As you can see in the previous 4, the origin is 0 comma 0. The vertex is 0 comma 0 when x-axis and y-axis meet at a point 0 comma 0, that is we call origin. But in these 4 cases, origin is shifted to somewhere. Okay, A is shifted from this place to this place, so that the shifting coordinates are h comma k. Okay, h comma k. In these 4 cases, here this is the origin and point, this one is A shifted to here, and this is also, in this case also, here is the origin and the point is shifted to here. This is the origin and the point shifted to here. This one is the origin, the point shifted to here. So that the origin or the vertex is shifted to some other point. So that in all these cases, the vertex becomes h comma k. Vertex is h comma k. H comma k, here also h comma k. Okay, right. And the second one is the focus. The focus becomes, it is lies on the x-axis, so that h plus a comma k. In this one, it is lies on the x-axis, this is positive side, so here it is positive. Here negative side, so that the focus is h minus a comma k. Here it is lies on the y-axis, towards the y-axis, so that focus h is can be written as h itself, and here k plus a, otherwise a plus k, because a value is positive. Here this lies towards the negative side, so that value of a becomes minus a. So focus becomes h comma minus a. Minus a plus k is k minus a. I think you will get it, right? Next one, we get focus and the vertex of all these. Next, we are going to discuss the directrix. In this case, directrix is x minus h plus a is equals to 0. X minus h plus a is equals to 0. In case of y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h. In case of this one, x minus h minus a is equals to 0. This is the directrix, and here x minus a minus h is equals to 0, otherwise x minus h minus a is equals to 0. In case of this one, directrix is this one, so that y minus k plus a is equals to 0, and here it becomes minus a, so that y minus k minus a is equals to 0. And the equation of axis, is, it is lies on the x-axis, okay, but lies on the x-axis, so that y is equals to 0, but the origin is shifted from 0 to 0 comma 0 to h comma k, so that y minus k is equals to 0. Here also same, y minus k is equals to 0. And the next one, here the origin is shifted from 0 comma 0 to h comma k, but the parabola lies towards the y-axis, so the equation of y-axis is x is equals to 0, but because of shifting of the origin, we are going to written x minus h is equals to 0. Here also x minus h is equals to 0 is the equation of the axis in case of parabola in the form of x minus h whole square is equals to minus 4a into y minus k. So that these 8 are the different types of the parabola whenever the equations are given as y square is equals to 4ax and y square is equals to minus 4ax, x square is equals to 4ay, x square is equals to minus 4ay, and whenever the origin is shifted, these four types are present. I hope you are enjoying this video, and please share this video with your friends and your classmates. Ask them to subscribe. If you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to my channel. There is a playlist regarding integration in my channel. Please kindly visit that. Thanks for watching this video.